noticeably different. Do not hear it. Why is everyone saying this? That's what it is. He was someone who we were very, very happy to have.
His character in a matter of about 5 months after he has become Speaker of the House. Mike Johnson is a Christian. He called himself a conservative, always has been. He's a Republican member, but yet here we are after the minibus was passed just almost 2 weeks ago in Washington, and now with the $60 billion going to a war in Ukraine, that 70% of Americans do not support it. That's the most recent polling. 70% of Americans and the majority of Republicans do not support funding Ukraine. People want to see a peace deal in Ukraine. More Ukrainians and more Russians. This needs to end. But no, Mike Johnson has made a complete departure of who he is and what he stands for, and to the point where people are literally asking, is he blackmailed? What is wrong with him? Because he's completely disconnected with what we want.
No. He's being blackmailed? Okay, so Marjorie Taylor Greene goes on Tucker Carlson.
You'll see it when you come out here. You'll see it when you come out.
She lays out some details calling out Mike Johnson and maybe coming to his defense. Many people thought Mike Johnson was conservative whenever he became Speaker of the House. A lot of people supported him. And now he has flipped on everything, including pushing forward for a vote this coming Monday for a $96 billion aid package to Ukraine, Israel, and Taiwan. Now, this is completely against everything Mike Johnson said.